Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Now, after examination of DW11, who interviewed her and has verified her that she is the lady who was interviewed by him and it is the lady who was present in the court when DVD was operated, it has become relevant to call upon her in exercise of powers provided under section 311 of Code of Criminal Procedure, hereinafter referred to as the code, and to take sample of her voice and photographs and sent those to the laboratory for testing. Stop. Mr. I.B. Singhli, learned senior advocate, opposed the prayer of the petitioner and submitted that the trial has been delayed too much despite repeated direction of the court at several stages. Stop. He further invited the attention of this court towards the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in SLP CRL number 9628 9629 2010, in which on 17/01/2011, by allowing the appeal, the Honorable Supreme Court observed that the trial shall now be heard and decided expeditiously. Stop. He also furnished a list of cases which had been filed by the petitioner and almost have been dismissed to establish that the petitioner has made much efforts to delay the proceedings. Stop. Therefore, he submitted that in light of the observation of the Honorable Supreme Court, for any reason no interference is warranted by this court, and prayed for dismissal of the petition to conclude the trial expeditiously. Stop. He further submitted that if the court interferes with the proceedings and allows the application, it would be sending the matter for investigation, and now the case is at the stage of arguments. Therefore, at this stage, the further investigation is not permissible. Stop. He also invited the attention of this court towards the several provisions of the Act which provide the stages of trial, and submitted that now the stage of section 233, that is entering upon defense, has become over, and it is the stage of section 234, that is arguments. Therefore, it is not permissible under law to go back for providing opportunity of defense. Stop. Mr. I.B. Singh, learned senior advocate, also pointed out that earlier also an application was moved to call upon the same very witness, but this court has turned down the same very request in light of the case of Hanuman Ram versus State of Rajasthan and others 2008, for criminal court cases 973 SC 2008, 15 SCC 652. Stop. In support of his contentions, he cited a decision of Vinod Kumar versus State 1981, in which the Delhi court has held that there is no such provision in the Indian Evidence Act in respect of recording of sample voice. Stop. Further, Section 45 of the Evidence Act makes evidence of an expert upon 8 point of law or of science or art or as to identity of handwriting or finger impressions admissible. Stop. But evidence of an expert of comparison of sample voice with disputed one has not been made admissible under any provision of the Evidence Act. Stop.